Hi Mom, this is a reminder of how to file the messages that are in your inbox so that your inbox doesn't get all full of messages. So we're going to open the mail application and we see a bunch of messages in our inbox. One of them is from Cadence. Now if we already looked at that message and we want to file it, then we want to click and hold the message and then drag it to the Cadence and Dan folder. It's still there, you still have a copy of it, but now that copy is in Cadence and Dan. So if we click on Cadence and Dan, then we see here the contents, and if we scroll up, we can see, and we click on date received in descending order, then the most recent email is at the top, and it's that one that we just moved in on December 28th. Now if we click on the inbox, we go back to the inbox, and let's say we want to move this message from Jason into the Katerina and Jason folder. So we click on it, hold it, and drag it to Katerina and Jason. And let's say we want to move this Verizon Wireless to the Verizon folder. Well, first we need to make this window a little bit bigger so that we can see down at the bottom of your folders the Verizon folder. So we'll take this Verizon email and we'll drag it into the Verizon folder. So that is a refresher of how to file some of your emails. I'll leave some of these emails in your inbox and you can decide which ones you want to file. Now as you can see, just one more thing, right now your emails are organized with the oldest email first, January 4th, January 7th, January 12th, January 20th, today. Usually you want it the other way around, and this little arrow here is telling you that it's sorting them in ascending order. If we click on this blue bar, then it reverses it. Now it's sorting in descending order. I click again, ascending order, click again, descending order. Usually you want it in descending order. Okay, that's all. I'll let you file these other inbox messages when you decide to do that. So now we want to quit mail. And we have two ways to do that. Remember, we can go to Mail and then Quit Mail, or just the way it says here, we can press Apple key Q. I will press Apple key Q and quit mail. That's the end of that lesson.